Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we're doing the cast iron challenge for June, which is breaded meats, and today we're cooking Katsu chicken curry. So first of all, we're going to get our cast iron pot on our brick built stove. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. We're going to let that up to temperature, and then we're going to add 1 finely chopped onion. We're going to cook this onion off for about 5 minutes, just to start to go translucent and take on a bit of colour. That's what we're after. To this, we're going to add 2 chopped garlic cloves and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. We're going to mix this in. We're going to cook it for about 1 minute. We're going to keep moving it around the pot. Next in, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of medium curry powder, 2 tablespoons of plain flour. We combine that in. We're going to cook this out for a minute. We've made a sort of a roux. Now we're going to add the moisture. So I've got 500 ml, that's approximately 2 cups of chicken stock. We're going to add a little bit at a time so there's no lumps. Keep stirring it in. We've got it up to a simmer, so we're going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of honey. Get this combined in, and then we're going to gently simmer this for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, we're going to get the stick blender in, and we're going to make a nice smooth curry sauce. So that's our Katsu curry sauce ready. Next thing, we've got a salad to make. We've got some coriander, some sweet peas, some carrot, some spring onion, and some mint. To this, we're just going to add a splash of lime juice. I'm not going to put it on yet because it'll start to taint it. So for the chicken, we've got plain flour, 1 beaten egg, and some panko breadcrumbs. I've got 2 chicken breasts that I've battered out slightly, not too thin. So first of all, we're going to go in the flour, then into the egg wash, and then into the breadcrumbs. That's the first one done. We'll quickly do the second one. And now we're ready to cook. So I'm putting a 10-inch cast iron skillet on the stove. We're going to add some vegetable oil. We're looking for about 1/2 inch into the bottom of this skillet. We don't want to overcrowd it. And bring it up to 160°C. I'm just going to lay our chicken in gently. We've got a little chicken gouge on here. I can guarantee that will not be making it to the plate. You can see the sides of the chicken is starting to take on a golden colour. Time to turn. Look at that golden chicken. So we're looking, the internal temperature is 74 degrees C, 165 F. So these are ready. Just going to get them out and drain them on some kitchen paper. Look at the colour. So here we have it. This is Dutchy's Katsu Chicken Curry, served with on a bed of rice. And we're just going to pour some of that curry sauce on top. If you like what we're doing here with Dutch Cooking, please remember to subscribe and hit that bell.